Hi y'all, welcome back to Brick Language and our new short series, Play, Build, Talk. In our last video, we talked about spatial awareness and how it affects our children with language disorders. We focused on the importance of keeping your model facing the same direction as the picture in your instruction booklet. Another simple way to help your child with spatial awareness while you're playing Lego is to use the Lego Builder app and the 3D instructions. The interactive guides show you using animation exactly where your pieces fit, and you can actually turn it up to 360 degrees so that it's clear to both of you exactly how your piece goes on. Another fun way to work on spatial awareness when you're not playing Lego is to play the really fun, simple game I Spy. I spy something blue. I spy something that's a circle. It's a simple and engaging game that helps your kids work on their language and observation skills. You can play it in the house. You can play it in the car. You can play it at bath time or bedtime. You can play it in a store, especially when you're having to wait in a long line and perhaps your child doesn't wait very well. This is a fun and easy game that can keep them occupied while you're waiting, and they can work on their spatial awareness. Have you had an opportunity to build a blanket fort? If you want to hear about blanket forts, go back to our previous video. If you like what we're doing here, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that we can continue to bring you content on this important topic of language disorders. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye.